Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of freshly made mozzarella, its creamy texture and delicate flavor subtly tinged with the essence of the Italian countryside. This isn't just cheese, this is a culinary experience, a journey through tradition and taste. Mozzarella, a word that rolls off the tongue as smoothly as the cheese melts in your mouth, began its journey in the lush landscapes of Italy. Originally crafted by Neapolitan cheesemakers, this cheese has transcended its humble origins to become a global sensation. It's believed to have first been made when milk curds accidentally fell into a pail of hot water in a cheese factory near Naples. This accident birthed a cheese-making technique that would charm the world. The process, though refined, remains rooted in its original simplicity and authenticity. To embark on your mozzarella-making adventure, you'll need just a few key ingredients: high-quality whole milk, preferably raw, as tradition dictates, citric acid, rennet, and salt. Each component plays a pivotal role in the cheese's final flavor and texture, making the choice of ingredients crucial. Choosing the right milk is particularly essential, as it forms the base of your cheese. The fresher the milk, the better your mozzarella will taste. Before you begin, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a large pot, a thermometer, a slotted spoon, and a cheesecloth. These tools aren't just handy, they're essential for achieving the characteristic texture of mozzarella. Equipping yourself properly can mean the difference between mediocre and magnificent mozzarella. In Italy, mozzarella is not just food, it's a cultural icon. From being a star in caprese salads to its essential role in pizzas, mozzarella ties deeply with Italian traditions and festivals. Its versatility and mild flavor make it a favorite among all age groups, embodying the spirit of Italian cuisine. Mozzarella's mild taste makes it an excellent base for a variety of dishes. Beyond the classic pizza and caprese salad, try incorporating it into stuffed meats, baked pastas, or even as a decadent addition to soups. Experimenting with mozzarella can transform an ordinary meal into a gourmet experience. Finally, to enjoy your homemade mozzarella to its fullest, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, moist environment, ideally in a container of brine. This helps maintain its moisture and extends its freshness. Remember, fresh mozzarella should be consumed within a few days to savor its delicate flavor and texture fully. In conclusion, mastering mozzarella is about embracing simplicity and tradition, while also daring to innovate and adapt. Through understanding its origins, perfecting the techniques, and exploring its cultural significance, anyone can bring a taste of Italy into their kitchen. Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of freshly made mozzarella, its creamy texture and delicate flavor subtly tinged with the essence of the Italian countryside. This isn't just cheese, this is a culinary experience, a journey through tradition and taste. Mozzarella, with its rich history and artisanal process, is more than a staple in Italian cuisine. It's a symbol of cultural heritage and craftsmanship. In this essay, we'll uncover the secrets behind mastering mozzarella, blending ancient techniques with modern twists.